Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're going to be testing this beautiful quick melt Andreja Premium, and what we need to do here is first I would like to show you that whenever you're running a heat exchanger, you always want to purge the heat exchanger before running the shot. You can see the water is super hot and boiling. That's because the heat exchanger takes the temperature of the steam boiler that it goes through when it sits, and it only works well when you're introducing cold water into the heat exchanger. Then you're able to get a good shot. Okay, now let's go ahead and pull our shot. You can see we get a beautiful shot of espresso, and I just want to get a shot of the pressure. You can see we have just around 9 bars of pressure there, so that's great. And beautiful, sorry about the wiggle. I don't make videos as often as Mario, so he's better than I am. But anyways, let's, so it looks like a beautiful shot. Nice crema, test the steam. Nice strong steam, test the hot water. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell. Thank you.